Oren yn flicio hwn ymlaen at Bacare. Insel yn casglu, Insel. Ergydio am arbediad da gan Lang yn isel i'w dde fe. Met ddim yn gallu clirio. Cei Connah manteisio, ond ddim yn gallu cael y beil i gefn y rhwyd. Carel lledi hwnna at Pŵl. Cael y croesiad i fewn yn peniad gan Plisli Ffacwason yn syth at Alex Lang. Mae'n y gicrydd. Joel Edwards sy'n mynd â hi. Modfeddi heibio'r postyn o Lewis Brass yna. Gath ei gyffyrddiad. Gwthio hi heibio i'r postyn. A'r cyfleoedd y dechrau cynyddu ar gyfer Cei Connah nawr. Met. Croesiad i fewn. Met yn gwrth ymosod. A ddim yn gallu manteisio. 1 munud ola amser ychwanegol yma'r eilydd. Dŵl yn rhoi hwnna mewn i Cwc Cosby. Eilydd arall Owens ond yn rhoi cynnig arall arni. Am gamgymeriad! Woolridge yn penio heibio i Lang i rwyd ei hun. A mae Cei Connah wedi dwyn y fuddugoliaeth gyda be mae'r rhaid bod camgymeriad gweithio gyrfa Woolridge.
Congratulations, Andy. Bizarre way to win the game, but do you think you deserve the 3 points today?
I think we both deserved a point. I think if one team deserved to win it, I think it was us. I think we asked the most questions and we made really positive substitutions late on in the game, away against a top 6 team where, you know, you may have thought it's a comfy 0-0 and we'll go home with a point, but, you know, we wanted to go for 3 points, and the questions we continually asked them in the second half always put them on the back foot. There's always a chance that something like that might happen when you put enough balls into the box, and of course you need a bit of good fortune, but, you know, there was only one team really that were going to win the game, but, you know, it looked like a 0-0, so we're delighted.
You know, it's a wicked way to lose a football match. It's not the first time that's happened to us this season, so we've just got to make sure we defend for 95, 96 minutes. TNS at home, we can see them 94th minute again today, so we've just got to make sure we do that. And, you know, I can't fault the boys throughout the game. You know, we know the type of team that Connah's Quay are. We have to be proactive rather than reactive, and I thought we were proactive all day. It's just, it's relentless, it's constant, but I think we were relentless and constant today. But you, like I say, you've got to do your job for those 95, 96 minutes.
And results today mean that you're top of the league over the weekend. Must be happy.
Yeah, absolutely delighted. You know, I never look at the league table unless we're near the top, and then I look at it about 3 or 4 times a day, and I have it as my screensaver.